What's up everybody and welcome to this video. This is the second part of our adventures in Tulum, and yes, there will actually be a third part, so don't forget to subscribe and I hope you enjoy. Now we are visiting the Tulum Lagoon. I actually think it's a cenote that's called lagoon,
yeah,
I'm really sure.
It's actually not a lagoon, but
way better than the beach because the water is cleaner, cooler, and it's not salty. This is the lagoon. As you see, the water is yellow actually. It's only this part here where you can swim because that's the actual cenote and you're not allowed to go in there. And well, there's actually not much to do. At least you've got some shade over there, some hammocks and some swings where you can spend your time in the water. But that's basically everything that you get here. The entrance fee is 100 pesos per person, so yeah, $4 per person. It's not that much.
and you don't have really a lot of space where you can like chill outside the water. So it's really more you
Chill
get in
inside
the
the water.
Yeah.
Yes, well then let's do that, right? It is interesting because, as Evelyn said, you walk on sand, but it's not salt water. Usually when you walk on sand inside the lagoon, it would be salt water, but this is not salt water. As you've seen, there's actually not much to do. You can sunbathe, you can walk, but it's not really deep, so you cannot swim much. Some nice places, the hammocks and the swings to take some photos. Not the most interesting place, so cenotes are actually more interesting in my opinion. But I think Evelyn feels more comfortable here because she's a little bit scared of the cenotes. So next place will be a more beautiful cenote, but we will still be lying a few more hours, minutes. I don't know how long we will be staying here. It's time to visit another cenote. Well, actually it's multiple cenotes here at the place called Casa Tortuga, which means turtle house, and I see something moving there. Did I see something or did I imagine it? No, I imagined it. I don't think it's anything. Anyways, over here there are like at least 4 cenotes that we can visit because that's what I've read online, but on the map that we've just seen they actually had like 7 cenotes. Well, it's quite pricey. It's 400 pesos per person, which is about a little bit more than $16 per person. But at least the snorkeling gear is included, and well, we'll see what else is included. See you on the other side. So now we've got our life vests, our snorkeling masks, and we are waiting for the group to assemble before we go onto the cenotes and hope to see some turtles. Right? How do you feel?
Turtles scare me.
Because they can bite actually.
They bite.
Just do it. Don't think, do it. Do it. Go, go, go. High five. Time to get into the cave. Alright, that was it from our visit to the four cenotes of Casa Tortuga. There are four cenotes. When you enter, you will be guided through the four cenotes and it takes like 1.5 hours. The second cave is especially beautiful. You pay 400 pesos per person, but that includes the vest, the snorkeling mask and the guide for 1.5 to 2 hours. And after that, you are free to stay there, swim a little bit more, jump into the water whenever you wish. Next station then will be our excursion to the beach, and then with the boat we'll be snorkel there a little bit and also see the Tulum Mayan ruins from the seaside. See you there. Now we are going to the public beach, which is called Playa Pescadores, which means fishers' beach. This has been our experience on the boat. We've seen a lot of stingrays, but sadly no turtles. But what can one do? And it's really hot. I don't even have any sunscreen, so I'm probably red like a tomato. Our next chapter is starting soon, which will be even more beautiful than our stay here, if everything goes well. So, if you want to see the future, if you want to see sea turtles and tropical penguins and very famous islands, remember to like and subscribe, and please also comment. Interaction helps. This has been it from our adventure in Tulum. For now, I think we might actually come back pretty soon. Thank you very much and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.